we're in the park right now, and the ranger at the station just said take him for a walk. So, must be pretty pet friendly here. Collecting park resources prohibited. Alright, don't steal any petrified wood. That's what they're saying. This is Teapany Point. There's a bunch of petrified sand dunes right here. Hudson's going down the stairs, so I guess I am too. Huh? This is a first viewpoint. Johnny's in the car looking at the map. We're just checking out the sights.
I was looking at the map, figuring out where we want to go. We want to go to Jasper Point or Jasper Forest. That's where all the petrified wood's at. So, that's where we're going.
We're following Johnny through the park right now, trying to get to Jasper Point. Honestly, I have not looked at the map, so I'm not sure how far ahead that is. I'm like half convinced that we've been here before. I don't know. He doesn't think so.
We've not been here.
I think so. I think we drove through it and we stopped at these like viewpoints.
I don't think we did.
I think we did.
I don't trust Jess's memory. Pretty interesting forest. And that there isn't one.
Still following John through the park. I'm honestly tired. It's only 12:30, but I just want to see some petrified wood and then get out of here and find a camp spot. We're finally making the turn to Jasper Forest. If any of you guys are wondering, it's around mile marker 18. I'll zoom in on some of this rock / petrified wood. Continuing the drive, we're going to Crystal Forest, which is, I think it's at like mile marker 20. We're at mile marker 18 right now. And at Crystal Forest, there's a hike that you can do. At this one, there's nothing. You can just look. That's lame. Yeah, we have been here. The more I see, the more confident I am. Like, if we haven't, I'm very confused. Oh, a note. This is a national park. It's not like a national monument. Watch your language.
These are some big
trees. They were. Now they're petrified trees. But anyways, what I was saying is this national park is dog friendly. They're allowed on the trails, so in case you're wondering, your dogs can come to Petrified Forest National Park. I don't know why that's such a weird name to me.
You either think National Forest or National Park, and it has forest and park in it.
Yeah, and I just am confusing the order.
I've been messing it up all day too.
This trail that we're walking right now is Crystal Forest. It's 0.75 mile loop.
They're all broken smooth.
How they're broken up and turned into rock, I do not know. They got a lot of petrified forest here, so I can see why they would make this a national park. Although I've never really heard of it. Even though I'm pretty sure we've been here.
I haven't heard of it. I was just looking at, because we're on our way to the white sand dunes, and I was looking.
It's actually not sand dunes, it's just white sands.
Oh, whatever.
I saw that too.
I was just looking what was going to be along the way, and I saw this.
And we happened to be at that national monument this morning.
I mean, we're literally driving right by it. It was a minute detour.
Today is a packed day. A national monument and a national park. We're checking them off. Whoops. Hudson, sorry. Sorry. Alright, we're continuing the walk, seeing more petrified wood.
I admit, the park besides the petrified wood, it's just eh.
Driving through it, I was like, how is this a national park? But then you see the petrified wood and you're like, oh, okay. Makes sense.
I was like, there better be a lot of it. There's a lot.
There is a lot. I don't know. I really do want to know how it turns into stone.
This.
Who?
I don't know. So it looks cut.
It does look cut. Especially this section right here.
Where does it just break like that? Why? I've never wanted to know why. Really, like, with the hoodoos and stuff, I don't really care how it's formed or why.
But this,
I'm like, what the heck? I want to know why.
Yeah, we'll have to look it up. Or we'll just always wonder.
Yeah, well, we probably won't look it up. If we happen across the sign, then we'll know.
This is cool. You can actually see like it's inside. Oh, it feels really nice too. It's like crystal almost.
It's interesting. I'm eating a lifesaver. Sorry if that's annoying.
It is.
So there used to be life here.
I really wonder how it turned into stone.
Why does it look like it was cut?
Yeah. Only pieces of it survived, but it's literally like perfect. I don't know.
None of these are boulders. These are all, well, I mean, I guess they kind of are boulders because they are rock now, I guess. I don't really know. I don't know how it works. We're gonna have to figure that out. I'm trying to go slower than normal because normally when I pan, I'm panning what I see at my eyes, which is much easier to look at in person. This honestly might still be too fast for you, but it's slower than normal.
Are you giving them the new questions?
Huh? What are your questions?
My question is, well, still, how did it turn to rock? But also, where's the actual forest? Where did the trees go? What happened to them?
Yeah. Cause these are huge trees.
Like, this is like desert now. Clearly, there used to be trees here at one point.
Talk about hardwood.
Oh, look, we're gonna come up to one right along the path. A nice long one.
This one looks a little more woody. This one's lighter than normal. Or I mean, I don't know what normal is, but
it kind of feels like wood.
Yeah, this one does feel like wood.
Is it like?
I mean, it's rock. Maybe this one's a lot younger than the others.
Feels like wood. It's weird.
Yeah.
Like this one clearly feels like rock.
Yeah.
Or crystal. It's weird. I don't know. I'm confused by this part.
Yeah.
It's a lot neater than I thought it would be, actually. That's a pretty cool one. Now we gotta catch back up. Hi.
Now when I hear something called Petrified Forest, this is what I expect to see.
I wanted the trees standing.
Oh, I mean, that would be awesome. Again, it looks bizarre. Looks like wood, but it's not. But it also is. So, there's wood chips all over, and the wood chips are petrified. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, I guess. Interesting. Look, we put it back. Now this is how you expect it to break, not smooth like all of them are. This one's got chunks missing out. It looks more realistic.
They're all real.
Look at this cool rock up here.
Goblin!
What's the goblin doing here?
Crystal Trail satisfied our need to see petrified wood, so we're headed back to the visitor center now, and we're gonna get stickers, and then we're gonna go find camp. We got like 18 miles to go. Oh, 17. We just passed mile marker 17. Alright, we're back at the visitor center. So I bought a piece of petrified wood. You can see it's bought. I thought it was pretty neat. There was a lot bigger ones for a lot more money. But I think this piece is cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But it's mine.
So, we just finished up, the National Forest, not National Forest, Petrified Forest National Park. We got stickers. I basically got a candy cane, blue one, because I'm still a child.
And Johnny just sent me a campsite, so now that's where we're headed. It's an hour and a half away. So I'm about to go follow him, hop back on the highway, and head to this campsite. I think this is it. Maybe? No? I feel like that was probably it. Yeah, it for sure was. I just passed it. Now we're gonna turn around. Do we drive up that road, or is this what this is? Alright, let's go drive up the road. Going up the road now. I don't know. This is a weird spot. You can hear Hudson talking over there. He wants to get out. When we get on dirt roads, he knows we don't usually stay on them too long. We usually park and we camp. I know, I hear ya. Oh, vey. I don't love it. Just going slow. Trying to be careful. Not bottom out anywhere. Now Johnny's like pulling in there. I'm gonna let him do that first. This was definitely probably one of the sketchiest roads that I've driven on, or like hardest with my car.
You parking?
Right over. I'm parking right over here. Alright, Huts. We made it. Man is getting his dinner. Also, I forgot his other water dish at the campsite this morning, so we're down to one, and now I'm spilling this water everywhere. Fantastic. So I'm cooking up some taco meat. Johnny's he's gonna make meat and noodles with a bunch of peppers.
And a tomato.
And a tomato. Final product, not super impressive, just meat, cheese, and sour cream. But that's what we got on a keto tortilla. Alright, Huts. You tried the meat already. You like it.
This is my finished product. Doesn't look that good, but it tastes delicious. Now we gotta do some dishes.
I mean,
if you're wondering how I pee in the middle of the night, if I do hop out not in a bottle, I drop the tailgate down like this, and I stand in my socks on the edge.
do you really?
And I just go. Yeah. I don't want to put shoes on and get down.
How I do it, I don't pee in the middle of the night.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
I just flew my drone and didn't crash it, so ending the day better than we started it. What's going on up there? It's 5 o'clock. 5:08 to be exact, and Hudson just hopped in. I'm not sure if he's gonna stay in or not. Probably he is. Are you done? I think he's about done with us. I'm gonna put a hoodie on. We're calling it a night. It's pretty much dark, and it's freezing.
I wonder what the temperature actually is.
I would guess like 38, 40. It's pretty cold. All right, good night.
Night, love you.
Love you too.